Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can set up your Hostinger. So it's a very easy tutorial and for beginners especially, so just keep up with me. And right now you can see we are at hostinger.com. You can search that on Google and you will end up over here. So why Hostinger? First of all, the point is why Hostinger, right? So actually they are super reliable. They have an excellent support team also. So there is no downtime, and every time whenever you need any support from them, they will be available. So there are few more questions like how what is used for. Some people doesn't even know what is Hostinger. So Hostinger offers web hosting plans for agencies that need to create multiple websites for clients. So like it's just like GoDaddy, but it's different. And they are more like his is hosting a web server. So Hostinger, like many other web hosting services, offers shared web hosting. So with this most basic hosting tier, your website live on a server with other websites. In other words, the sites literally share a single server cost and resources, so there's no need to pay again and again. So the last one is is it free? So there are some free plan offers a starter package to help you start your online journey, but most of them are really paid. And yes, obviously Hostinger is a reliable hosting company and so many years of experience in the shared hosting industry. So right now you can see we are at Hostinger, and we have obviously once you are here you will always see this, and you can just claim this deal like 2.5 per month and up to 80% off 4 year hosting plans plus free domain and SSL. So this is a Black Friday sale is going on right now. You can just click on claim deal, and you can scroll down. You will find more things like these are the reviews obviously, and I'm just gonna go down. I'm going to show you over here. Like you can just click on get started, and obviously they can 30-day money back guarantee. They can also for they also offer this. And I'm going to scroll down more, and you can see that over here all in one web hosting. We prepared the best web hosting plan for you to start. So they think that this plan is good for us, and where we can get like 100 websites. We can work on 100 website, 100 GB SSD storage, free weekly backups, and unlimited free SSL, free domain, free email, optimized for WordPress obviously. And if you click on over here, you will find more features like what they are providing in this program. So in my opinion, it's very good. You can just click on add to cart and it will be added to your cart. And once you end up getting your plan, so once you click on add to cart, it will redirect you to over here, and you can see more plans out there. And obviously you can see $5 setup fee, and this is $12 per month. There are like more over here, all different with different features and every single thing, but we clicked over here right for free domain for first year. So if we scroll down, you are saving, you can see over here you are saving $480. How? Just scroll down, you can just create your account over here, and you should make your account over here, and you can see you have multiple options to pay this fees obviously. And your domain name has no charges, your setup name has setup charges has nothing, and you are getting premium shared hosting 48 months plan, because it's a lot and you are saving a lot of a lot of money. So you can just enter your detail and click on submit secure payment. After that you will come back to this page, and obviously once you have created your account, just go ahead and click on login and enter your details over here. It's very simple, right? Everything's going very smooth. After that you will end up over here. As you can see, this is how the dashboard will look like of Hostinger. And you have your premium shared hosting over here, you have your VPS server plan too, and you have your claim your free domain. So what you need to do, you need to click on claim your domain. Once you click on it, you will end up over here, and you can just write down your domain name. you can just click on this, and you can search for different like .com, .net, or .in and .digital. So there are multiple over here. You can just select that and just click on check availability. Obviously this will check how like your domain is not, not similar to any other domain. So once it's done, just click on it and it will process you over here. So right now what you need to do over here, you need to just click on like obviously you need to enter your details, just normal details like country. Choose your country, your personal details. There's nothing personal details over there, but if you click on company or organization, you will have to enter more details. You can enter your contact details, go to next tab, easy, and the very next page you will see this: your domain is pending perfect like is pending verification, because Hostinger is sending you again like email, because like they are confirming that this is you or not. This is you who are making this domain, and are you sure you are going to create this? So just go ahead to your email and just verify this, so this message will go on. After that you will come back to your dashboard again, and because you need to enter your premium shared hosting, you are going to create your hosting, right? And what you need to do next thing, once you click on premier shared hosting, you will end up over here. And who are you creating the website for? Like I'm creating it for myself, I'm creating it for someone else. I already have a website. You can just select that, or there will be another option which is skip. You can also skip this option. Then you will end up over here. You can just click on like building a website. If you want, if you are going to build a website or you are going to migrate it, you can just click on it, like either one. This option will appear after that, obviously. Next thing is this. So here you can just click on your select WordPress and hosting a website builder, whatever you want to choose. Or is there any other another website builder if you want to choose that? So in that case, if you want to like work on WordPress, just click on over here. It will take you right over here, the very next step. Enter your details, and like always remember to check mark on this add WooCommerce, and enter your details over here, and just go ahead and done this. After that everything is finished. Your work has done whatever you wanted to do. You have created every single thing, and next thing is the last step, which will be setting up your server location. So as you can see over here, this is the server location, and once you click on it, it will take you right over here and choose any server from over there. Obviously if you're living near India, you can just click on over here and select India. If you're living in America or any other country, just go ahead and click on the nearest server. Obviously you can just click on over here and you will find related to you, like whatever is near you, and just click on it, select that, and done. Once you click on this, you will end up over here, and you can just start creating your edit your website if you want to edit that. Or you can just go ahead and click on over here, like you can just go back to your Hostinger dashboard or control panel, whatever you want to say. So this is how you are going to set up your Hostinger. So I hope you understand every single thing. It's one of the best way to set up your Hostinger, and they are offering you like you can see, this is the very demandable price, and in my opinion they are offering a lot of features in this program, in this plan. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.